What is up, guys? It is Kevin Like here, and today I promised you guys I was going to play Legendary Football in my other video. So today here we are, and we're about to play it. So let's get into this. Play some instrumental. Okay, let's get in the game. I wonder if I'm going to have a good or bad team. So none of my friends are in here. So just turn that on. Okay. So right now we're winning by 2 points only. That's not that good. I hope this person is a good QB because I'm really good at wide receiver. Pass to me. Bro, pass. I'm wide. Oh, okay then. That works too. I didn't get the ball, but that works. I'm just gonna vote me captain and kicker. Oh, I'm kicker. Yeah. I might miss this because my teammate might not block for me. Oh, that's a terrible kick. I hope it gets blocked. Bruh. I'm ready for light. Please pass to me. Okay, I told him that. I'm just gonna if he asks, oh my God, they're hog. Hit stick. Scared. You're scared. Why are you scared? T. Kelly. I have a friend that's named T. Kelly. No! I was so close to getting that, bro. I was so close. So yeah, today's just gonna be a simple Legendary Football video. I might post like hide and seek, jailbreak, another one of these videos. Depends. Well, it doesn't depend. I just do what I want to do. Throw it up, yes. First person. I was snag this. No, I was so close. Bruh. Stole my pass. Well, that wasn't really mine, but you stole the pass I was going to catch. I told them how to get to my channel. Yeah, I also said I'll give someone a shout out. Their name is WolfieXPlays. Go give them subscribe to them, comment on his video. He only has one, but he just asked me to shout him out because I don't know why. But he's my friend from school, so yeah. Oh God, the lag is real, bro. Oh yeah, comment down below if you want me to make a video on Realistic Roleplay 2. And I can do Crash Grab Simulator. I can do a lot of games that if you guys want me to. So yeah. If you want to see me do those, comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. See if we can get an interception. Oh, that was almost a safety. This is probably not going to be a touchdown because I'm really bad at juke. But I'll try. Give me that. I got nowhere. I just went straight up the middle and then got tackled. Bam. Ooh, cut. Bro, I'm wide. Pass it to me. Bro, wide. I can moss this guy. No! He stole it! Oh my gosh! He stole it! Stop stealing. I'm wrecked. That was a terrible kick. I would have made that. It's halftime now. Oh no, it's second quarter. What am I talking about? Okay. I hope this game ends before 15 minutes because I'm already at 6 minutes and the screen recorder only has, it goes up to a limit of 15 minutes. So I can't do anything about that except get pro or get a real camera. But I'm not that big on YouTube, so I don't know why I need to. What was that? I'm just gonna rush him to make him throw quicker. Try to get an interception. Bruh. Sit. I'm gonna rush you since you wanna juke me. Oh, he juked me. Boy, you suck! You suck! Trash. Trash. Ooh, deflected it. I'm just gonna keep rushing. Come here. Ooh, I'm punt returner again. Why? Ooh, boy, I'm gone. I'm gone. Let's go. They told me to go out, so I went out. But that would have been a touchdown if I didn't go out. But I want to go out because I don't want them to get mad at me and not pass to me. So that's why I went out. Boy, what was that? Give me that! You too. Oh, I thought you were talking about. Let's go! Touchdown! Dons. I have all the game passes for this game except for the tip jar because that's not really useful. Did you guys hear that that Kabler got banned? I don't know why, but he just got banned for some reason. I never even got to meet him. I've been in the server of Jailbreak with my usernames this before. I don't know why I'm talking about Jailbreak, but this has nothing to do with football. Oh, I was so close to hit sticky. Let's check my wide receiver stats. Okay, let's go. Let me know if you guys want me to play a song instrumental every video to make it more entertaining. Cause I like it. And he's hogging. I'll get you, son. Sit, boy! Sit! Sit, boy, let's go, I'm gone. Bam! Let's go. Sit. Let's go. Ooh, he juked my teammate. I got payback. Bams. And I recovered it too. Hitman Kev. By the way, I'm 10 years old. I'm not 5.
Press the call button to call. Call me. Or press the play button to hear.
Lob it, bro. Oh, what's up, Steve? Yeah, Steve. He's my friend. Bro, I'm wide. Wide. And you, of course, you're not gonna throw it. Bro, I'm wide. Did you not see me? You're blind. Thank you. Jesus Christ. I even have auto captain, hit stick, config, music, all this. I have 5,000 yards for QB. I'm not even that good at QB. I'm trying to get global. See how much I need to get on average. 53,000, god dang. I'm nowhere close to that. I want to be a global wide receiver. But I can play this a lot. Sorry I haven't been uploading. I'm just lazy. We're all humans. We're lazy. Well, some of us, not all of us. But we are all humans. Boy, don't boost me. You're just wasting my jump. Oh, Steve got to run. Oh, what was that? He's gonna pass to Steven, I already know. Because he's the only player with customization. Or he's gonna hog. That works too. Get popped. You suck so bad. Yes. He said, suck so bad. Tag. I want to really bad because he's my friend and he's a god. Oh, that's mine. Oh, never mind. Oh, it's happening. Oh, phew. So, it's almost at 15 minutes, so it's like at 14:30. So, I'm gonna have to end the video off right here. I will see you guys next time. Probably in a couple hours because I'm gonna make another video, and I will see you guys. And just stay cool and have a good day. And yeah.